President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Vincent H Pala hadien ke jingialang jong nongialam kini ke Seng na Umsning Nongstoin Mawhati balalong ha ka arpau tarik Nailur ha Congress Bhavan Shillong uloong ba mariami no ngut ki MLA ka Congress ban iasoh sya kawei pat ke Seng mardor na ke liang ka Congress ke pynkhie biang ya ke Seng Congress ha Umsning Mawhati bat Nongstoin ha ke jingkren bat kilat pathai Khubor ha Congress Bhavan hadien ke jingialang nongkitkam ke parti na kylleng ki blok Congress ba Pala iathuh bah kini kisngi kila don pun bah nongialam bethamai ki belawan ban iasoh dekot sya ke Seng Congress ulong ba ke Seng Congress menta kila sedang Khie biang ha Umsning Nongstoin bat syen ha Mawhati ru iathuh ru ba ke Seng Congress kala pynkhie na ke benta ke election MDC ke ban Shillong syen
the district president, very good. I think very interesting, and there's a new energy in our party now because many people join us today also, and we are keep on continuing working at the grassroots level now. We are reorganizing the party. Unfortunately, MLAs has left us, but out of the 3 assemblies which have left us, 2 assemblies we already reorganized, and the next within a week I think we'll reorganize under the 3rd one. So there was a setback at the beginning, but today we are coming with a stronger team actually. Be it Umsning, be it Nongstoin, be it Mawhati. We have reorganized in Nongstoin and Umsning, but Mawhati and then I think they are meeting us within a week. But we already have a team and in charge for all these 3 assemblies. The rest of the assemblies I think we are doing well. And we are ready for the elections. We have given instructions to all the blocks to submit their list, and at the same time, if they already have in mind for the candidates, so they will give it to us. We have decided in the party also that normally in the Congress, the candidates will come and meet the president, and the president will send it to the block. I mean, the tickets used to be distributed by the at the higher committees rather and the lower, but we have decided that it should be recommended from the block. We will not interfere, except when they could not decide at the block level and the district level, then we at the MPCC level, we will take a call on it. This is our decision today. And Mati also review the organizations at the office level of our MPCC. We need to bring more young and energetic team also amongst us. He advised us today, and we'll keep on having a meeting. Another 2 days more he'll be with us. He will meet the youth, he will meet the mahilas, he will meet the blocks separately to examine and to recommend and to take action whatever is required. This is brief from my side. So we welcome him, and then I'll hand over the mic to him.